Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add leads in Zoho CRM. Leads are potential customers that you can nurture into deals. So let's dive in. Now for the first step is to access the leads model. Before you do that, you have to log into Zoho CRM, and to do so, just open your web browser and search for CRM websites. After the website appears, enter your account credentials or create an account if you haven't already, and then click on login. Now, after you do this step, you'll be directed to your CRM dashboard. After that, click on the leads model from the left hand menu right here. Now, the second step is to add a new lead. Click on create lead here and fill in the fields such as name, company, email, and phone. You can fill all this information. This includes mobile, lead source, industry, annual revenue, company, and last name, etc. And add any notes or tags to categorize the lead. Now for the third step, after you finish filling these forms right here, uh, click on save and the lead is added to your CRM. Click on save this save button right here in the top right corner and use timeline to view and track interactions with this lead. And that's how you add leads in Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.